How to edit text in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to edit text in Capcut. So let's say that you've added a text in your Capcut, okay? So open up your Capcut application. First thing, I'm going to go ahead and import a new project. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a text in that particular video. So let's say I'm going to go with this one and click the add button. Once it is added, now to add a text, you need to go to the text section at the bottom and click on add text. Here, you need to go ahead and enter the text that you want to add it. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the one and type in my pet, whatever. And next thing what you want to do is click the tick icon at the bottom. So now that you've already added, so if you want to go ahead and change the font or that you want to edit the text, then what you need to do is you could go to style and change the font, whatever you want, and you could go to style, change the color. You could go ahead and apply effects, animations, bubble, whatever. So this way you could go ahead and edit text in your Capcut account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.